Ditching your State Farm insurance. Let's get you through the cancellation process quickly and painlessly. First, you'll want to gather some essential information. Locate your policy number. This can usually be found on your insurance card or within your online account. Also, have ready the effective date you want your cancellation to take place. Now, you have a few methods you can use to cancel. The first option is to go online. Log into your State Farm account on their website or mobile app. Navigate to your policy details, look for a cancellation option, and then follow their instructions. They'll likely ask you to confirm and provide a reason for your cancellation. The second option is to call State Farm's customer service. Their number can easily be found on their website or your insurance documents. When you call, be prepared to provide your policy number and the desired cancellation date. An agent will guide you through the process and may ask for the reason you are canceling. The third method, and often recommended for documentation, is to send a written notice by mail. This will require that you draft a cancellation letter that includes your policy number, your name, the effective cancellation date, and your signature. Mail this letter to the address specified on your policy documents. No matter which method you choose, remember to keep a record of your cancellation request, such as a confirmation email or a copy of your letter. Also, keep in mind that canceling may have implications such as a possible refund, depending on your policy terms. Lastly, ensure you secure coverage by another provider before canceling your current policy to avoid a lapse in coverage. That is how simple the process is.